today to talk about banking and financial institutions and credit bureaus and credit scores. We have already taken a look at credit risk, and credit bureaus and credit scores are hugely linked to credit risk. Our key takeaways in the earlier session were loans and their importance in banks making profits, loan cycles, and we also did an introduction to credit risk. Today we're going to talk about credit bureaus and credit scores. And by country, this chart shows us the major bureaus. What we will see in this is that Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian are three credit bureaus that can be seen in many of the countries. So the agenda today is to check on the definition, what are credit bureaus, credit reports and its contents, common terms used with respect to credit bureaus and credit scores, what are credit scores, the FICO scores, legislations that affect the scores. A credit bureau or a consumer reporting agency is a company that collects information from various sources and provides customer credit information on individual customers for a variety of uses. It is an organization providing information on individuals' borrowing and bill paying habits. What is their role for banks? They help lenders assess credit worthiness, that is, the ability to pay back a loan, and this affects the interest rate and other terms of the loan that we as a customer can get from a bank. So, this brings us to a very important thing. There is differential pricing which is related to the risk, and risk is assessed taking a look at credit scores and credit reports which these credit bureaus keep. So consumers with poor credit repayment histories or people who have defaulted multiple times in their earlier loans will end up paying higher interest rate than the consumers who don't have these factors. Additionally, decision makers in areas unrelated to consumer credit, including employment, screening and underwriting of property and casualty insurance, increasingly depend on credit scores. So, even your employer may go and check with the credit reporting agency. In the United States, key credit bureau consumer protections and general rules or guidelines for both credit bureaus and data furnishers are governed by the Federal Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair and Accurate Credit Transactions Act, Fair Credit Billing Act, and Regulation B. Now, who are data furnishers? Data furnishers are banks and consumer institutions like your electricity board or electricity companies, your telecom companies, from which the credit bureaus get information regarding a consumer and his payment habits with respect to loans and borrowings as well as with respect to bills. Most banks and other credit granting organizations subscribe to one or more of the organizations, either Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. So you will find that a bank or a financial institutions will check on one consumer with a couple of organizations. Now, is it necessary for them to check for every consumer with every type of credit rating agency? No, not really. But each credit rating agency has some areas in which it has expertise. There are some areas or some segments for which it has very valuable information, and it may not have similar expertise or similar level of information in other areas. So often a risk manager may find that for self-employed customers from the north of the USA, he would want to go to an Experian, but for a salaried customer from the south of the USA, he may want to go to TransUnion. So what are these credit rating agencies? These national credit rating agencies are for-profit companies. They are not government entities. They are not funded by the government. They are independent, not national, local credit bureaus throughout the countries that are generally affiliated with one of the three national credit reporting agencies. So these local bureaus are mostly affiliated to any one of these national level agencies. Credit agencies or bureaus gather their consumer credit information by soliciting creditors such as credit card companies, banks, and lenders to join their systems and contribute their credit experience on consumers to the system. In return for submitting information, creditor members may use that information to obtain credit information on consumers. They have to pay up a small value of money, and for that they can assess reports for a consumer on these credit bureaus. The cycle of information sharing is often monthly, and therefore you will find that in credit bureau reports we'll have an update every month of 45 days. So what are credit scores? Based on the information on the credit report, lenders calculate a score which they call the credit score, so that they can assess the risk the consumer poses to the portfolio. In India, you can access your credit report as a consumer by applying in writing with a fees of approximately 150 rupees. And the RBI is the governing body for credit bureaus, and it has laid down clear roles of credit bureaus with respect to the banking system in India. Abroad, you get to assess your consumer reports free of cost at certain frequencies.